Hello, Earth System Science. Hope everybody's doing well out there. I am here to deliver your weekly agenda for November 9th, 2020. Um, we've been leading up to a project. That project begins this week. It is called Improving Our Watershed, which focuses on our local Cache la Poudre watershed, which we have here in Fort Collins. And so in class, the bulk of kind of the details will come out. So let me get into the agenda. I will be introducing the project via videos. Actually, we usually have guest speakers come in normal times. They've created videos this time. These videos I will make available remotely if you're unable to come in for various reasons. One is an overview of watershed science, and the second is kind of an introduction to the project, which ends up being a contest, okay, in which you could win up to $1,000 if you win. The contest kind of exists across a wide area, but we have local winners in here in this part of Colorado. So that is at least half of the class probably in person, and then we will get into identifying problems that exist in our watershed using this concept map outline, which is kind of twisted, but we'll be doing this in class, right? But it is possible to print this off. And so we'll be identifying problems that exist related in our watershed to air, water, land, and energy usage. We are broadening the scope, right? Up to this point, we've talked about water, but as it pertains to improving our watershed, we have to start understanding that everything else is connected to it as well, right? And we've mentioned these things before when we talked about wildfires and ramifications of all that. But this week is, just to recap, an introduction to the project or contest we'll get into, and then a beginning brainstorming of problems in our watershed that we can start devising solutions to. Okay, and the overall project and contest has you develop one solution, fixing one problem. But that's it. Other than that, you'll receive more information in class. As always, reach out to me via email with any questions that you have. But yeah, see you guys in class.